Hi, this is Johnny I with Operation Barbecue Relief, and as America celebrates its 250th birthday, the recipe I have for you is going to be phenomenal. What is an outdoor cookout without a hot dog? Well, today I'm going to show you our version of a hot dog, which is a Kansas City bacon cheese dog. So the first thing we're going to do is get our hot dog on our gas top. Place your hot dog on the flat top. We're also going to take our split top bun and place that on the flat top to toast. And you're going to want to keep turning that until it turns golden brown. Be sure to flip your bun so that it toasts evenly on both sides. When your bun is toasted, remove it from the flat top and place it on a plate. Next, you're going to take some shredded cheddar cheese, make a big circle on your flat top. To that, we're going to add some diced bacon, and you want to get that pushed in to the cheese. Keep turning your hot dog until you're golden brown on all sides. Now, what we're looking for with the cheese is we're going to start to see the outer ring of the cheese start to turn golden brown. Okay, when your hot dog is golden brown, you're going to take it and place it right in the center of the cheese, just like that. Now, using a scraper, you're going to wrap the hot dog in the cheese. And now you're ready to take it off the griddle. Place it inside your burger bun. Now, to give it the Kansas City twist, we're going to place some brisket burnt ends on top of the hot dog. This is giving it a real Kansas City flair. Finish it with some sliced green onions. There you have it. Kansas City bacon cheese dog. Enjoy.